Hello, how are you? Today's video, we're going to be talking about reoccurring income affiliate programs. So, try saying that 10 times fast. But the topic is that we're going to be talking about which ones will give you the best reoccurring income, which is, you do the work once, you provide the value, people see it, they sign up, they join you, they're part of your team, and they pay the membership fee just like you, and you get a commission of that, not just one time like most affiliate programs, but over and over. Hence the word, the words reoccurring income. So I'm going to share with you the best offer that I have found that will do this for you. So you can either click the link below in the comment section, or you can continue watching this video. So here we go. All right, so the reason you want reoccurring income is, most affiliate programs out there, you get one sale, and then that's it. There's very few that have a reoccurring income that comes in. So then you have to go and find another affiliate program, or just keep driving traffic to it. You get one sale, that's done. Which is good. If it's a good offer, yeah, it's gonna convert. But then you get that one sale, and then depending on the product, if the product crappy or not, the customer's not gonna come back. I've had a few offers like that. I've kind of been burnt out on it. So I went and I looked, and I was trying to find a something that's going to provide value, something that's going to continue to provide value, not just for me, but for people that I share this with, people that join my team. And the offer I found, which I did not share on my last video, is called Power Lead System. So you may have heard of it, you may have not have heard of it. It's been around for quite a long time. I'm gonna say over 4 years. I remember I looked at it a while ago when I was just getting started in affiliate marketing, and I liked it, but I didn't know what I know now, and I didn't have the resources available to me, as well as the people connected to the people that can show me how actually to get the most out of it. So that's the difference today. So if you've looked at it, you've seen it, and you're in the same shoes as me, give it another shot. Click the link below, sign up. It's free for 7 days. You get a free 7-day trial. During that trial period, you can earn commissions. I actually got 2 sales. I earned my first 3 days in this company, Power Lead System, and just following the traffic source, using a sales page. And then after that, the back end has been pumping out sales for me as well. And don't worry if you don't know anything about sales funnel. You're not strong at it. You don't like writing emails. You suck at copy. I mean, those are obtainable skills that you can learn. But what makes this so unique, and what caught my eyeballs, and why I actually signed up with it, took action right away, is one, the mentor. My mentor showed me it. He's really good at putting campaigns together and testing them out, and then once he gets a solid plan together, campaign together, he has no problem sharing that. And so he's had numerous people who've had like 5 sales. I've seen 11 sales, but it all depends on the amount of traffic you drive, and that's all going to be explained in the training, which you get once you create your affiliate account and you reach out to me, and I will personally send it to you via email, text, or my Facebook Messenger, and that information is all going to be in the description below. So it's a really great opportunity to create some reoccurring income. One of the best affiliate programs I'm seeing out there. Provides training. You can share your web pages, you can create web pages, you can promote other opportunities. You don't have to just focus on this. It's got all sorts of stuff there that's going to help you succeed online and create a reoccurring income That means you do the work once, and then money keeps coming in, month after month, and then you build on that. So the more people that you bring into the team, your reoccurring income increases and increases. And it also has high ticket programs or upgraded programs with additional training. So once you upgrade and purchase this training, it's only one time each one. Then you get commissions on that as well. So when you bring someone in and they come in at, say, the gold level, you're getting a $20 commission per month for that person, and they choose to go to a upgrade to the next the first level of training, you're getting a commission on top of that. And the first level is 100. So you pay one time, and then that's gonna just keep spitting out $100 commissions, and the more you add, the higher your chances. And all you're really doing is just driving traffic using our traffic source, which is explained in our exclusive team training, which I will send you once you join the affiliate account. And then you just follow that training, and you just keep driving traffic to your done for you, sales funnel, and that's all you do. And you just rinse and repeat. It takes about 20 minutes a day maximum, and pretty much you can start earning within the next 20 minutes after creating your affiliate account, getting your link, and then just copy and pasting the share code, which is all it's all explained in the training, and then setting up your emails. You don't have to write nothing, and then you just drive it straight to there. I mean, I'm doing that right now. I'm out doing another venture, and just making this video talking to you while my sales funnel is capturing leads and making sales. So it's that simple. This sounds like something that you're interested in. You want to give it another shot. You've heard of it. You're struggling to make money, whatever it is you're doing out there, you're a beginner. I highly recommend you click the link below, get everything set up, get that free 7-day trial started, and reach out to me, and I will send you that training, and I will talk to you very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will have a official review video of Power Lead System coming out, so you don't want to miss that. So start your account and reach out to me, and talk to you very soon.